How to make another account on Roblox and same device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and then scroll down and you will see the option for Switch Accounts. Tap on that and then tap on the Add Account option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on the Create New Account option and you will now be required to enter your birthday. So, go ahead and enter your birthday and then enter a username, and further go ahead and select your gender. Finally, tap on the Terms and Conditions checkbox you see there and then tap on the Continue button. Further, when prompted, go ahead and create a password for your Roblox account and then tap on the Done button, and with this, your account will be created. Now, tap on More again and then scroll down to the bottom again and you will see the Switch Accounts option. Tap on that and you will now see the account that you just created and your previous account. Simply tap on the account that you want to switch into, and with this the account will be switched. So this is how you can make another account on Roblox and same device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.